Good afternoon. I'm Eric Ethanam, and in our week five, we'll be continuing with the expression and statements. So, in this video, we'll know the iterative statements, learn the various type of iterative statement, and practice on using iterative statements. So, the iterative statements are known as the what? The loops. The loops. And they are used to execute part of code repeatedly based on condition or set of condition. So it's used to execute specified number of times you want the code to be executed. And we have three main types of the iteration statement. That's the for loop, while loop, and the do while loop. So these are the three types of the statement. We also have the iterative statement, that's the while condition statement, do statement while, that's expression, and so on. So for statements are used to iterate over a range of values or elements in a collection. So that's the syntax. You have initial statement, loop condition, then followed by the update statement. You have to update the statement. The initial statement, you have to update it. And you also have, and it is also useful for expressing a loop without an explicit termination condition. So we have, this is the example for it. So by the end, I'll be doing some coding about it. We also have the while loop, and the while loop executes as long as specifies condition evaluates to true. So the while loop is used to execute a block of code as long as a certain condition is true. As long as it is true, it will execute it. We also have the while loop statement. This is the syntax for it. That's the expression. You bring the while, then expression, then your statement. And to go to the do while loop is a statement that is similar to the while statement, except that the condition comes after the body. So now the condition, the expression will come after the body. So this is an example of it too. So this is the do while loop statement, how the format goes. So I'll continue with the programming for it. So we said for for loop is used to execute a block of code for a specified number of times. So let's check for an example for it. So let me comment it. There will be the for loop for loop statement. A statement, yeah, yeah. So using it, you have to bring, first thing to bring is the for. For, then we'll bring a, so that's first the initial statement has to come, followed by the loop condition, then followed by the updated statement. So let me do that one. So int I equal to 1. We'll terminate it. Oh, sorry for that. Terminate it. Then when I, that's the loop statement, 5 times, or let me take it 3 times. 3 times, then terminate it. Then should repeat itself. I should repeat itself 3 times. So that's it. How you repeat itself 3 times. Let me close. Then should see out. See out. What are we seeing out? Let's take it. We are seeing out Amma. So Amma will come out 3 times because I've indicated it there. Then Amma should come out 3 times. And let's end it. That's the I. So end line terminate. So let's run it and see. This one, let's close it. Okay, so let's run. So that's it. AMA 1, AMA 2, AMA 3. So if indicated it that it should appear 3 times. So let's change it to, let me say, 5. 5 times. 5 times. It will come out 5 times. So that's it. So this is the for loop. It's used to execute a block of code for a specified number of times. So you can decide whether the times you want the AMA to come out. So whether 5, 10, you can do it by own. So let's go to the while loop. The while loop, let me comment it. While loop statement. So the while loop statement is used to execute a block of code. That's as long as a certain condition is true. So when it is true, it will execute it for you. So let's check that one too. And that one, how it's good, the procedure it goes is the while will come first, then followed by the expression, and the statement will follow. So let me go. So we are still doing for int I. That's to be equal to 1. So terminate it. So now how the while will come, we are in while loop. So while we want our I to come, I. How many times you want the I to appear? Maybe you can say maybe 3 times or 4. So let's take it 4. 4 times, and we'll bring this one too. So you have to see out it. See out. So let's use Kofi. Kofi to come. Kofi. Then close this one too. So that's the I. You can decide to bring the I or not. Then end line. We'll terminate it also. So let's see. A mistake. So that's, we've opened one curly bracket. We didn't close it. So that's it. So we have to close that curly bracket to check again. This is what you are getting. Okay, I didn't give it to the number of times it comes. So I'll do it here. So that's I plus plus. I plus plus. So terminate it. So let's check it again. One time. So that's it. Said 4 times. So Kofi came 4 times. That's the 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how the while loop also work. So to continue with the do while loop, so let me comment that one too. Do while loop. The do while loop is similar to the while loop, but its execution time, it executes the code block at least once before checking the condition. So this one, the statement, the do will come first, followed by the statement before the while, before the expression. So it's a condition that comes after the body. So the condition comes after the body. So let's check that one to how it goes. So int I, we are still using the int I equal to 1, equal to 1, then terminate. And this one is the do. Open our curly bracket. So we see out. So let's say this one we are seeing out Tina. Let me put a Tina in quote. Tina. And so that's the I. Can close it. Then end our line there. Terminate. I'll bring the plus plus again. Terminate it, then we'll close it. Before bringing a while loop. So the while when I to be equal to maybe 5 times again, or let's take it 3, and we'll terminate. Always make sure you terminate it for the code to run. So let's check how the code runs. Oh, int I, that's a mistake there also, so let's check it. So let's run it again. So one previous definition is here. So if one definition is I, so let's change the I to A. So all I to go to A. So let's check it again. So there's a thing of, we said it should appear 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how the while loop, the do while loop, and the for loop works. So this is about all about the statement also for the loop statement. That's the iterative statement. So thank you for watching. Like and share.